Sometimes I think back, was it a good idea to get a boat? Was it a good investment? And although boats are expensive, when I look back and think about all the fun times I had, I'm really happy I made the choice to buy a boat. Quick story of how I got into owning a boat. So living in Seattle is a great place to own a boat with the lakes that we have around here, and living close to Lake Washington, I decided that having a boat would be a great purchase for me. So I started looking into buying boats, and luckily I have some friends who have some boater knowledge, and I asked them, and they helped me find a boat on Craigslist, and I was able to purchase it for $7,000. And it's the boat that you see here. It's actually a 1992 20-foot wakeboard boat. Since then, I've been very happy with the boat. I've been able to take it out on Lake Washington and into Lake Union, into downtown Seattle, and several restaurants from the lake. I've been able to do a lot of fun tie-ups and just take friends out and float, do some wakeboarding and some tubing, and just have a great space to hang out and relax in the evening after work or even on the weekends. Back to my original question, is having a boat a good investment? I'll add into the description all the expenses I've had to do with the boat so far, just to kind of show investment versus the fun. But I think the video speaks for itself, just looking at the footage and thinking back to the amount of fun that we've had on the boat. I think it's definitely worth the money and the investment, and I'm really happy I bought it. I can't suggest buying a boat enough to someone looking for something fun, a new hobby, something new to explore, and a place to get together with friends and have a great time.